to clear cache from MacBook. Hey everyone, welcome back to Shop Smart Link. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to clear cache on your MacBook. Whether your Mac is running slow or you're just freeing up some space, clearing the cache is a simple way to keep things running smoothly. Chapter 1. Explaining cache. So, what exactly is cache? Cache files are temporary data stored by apps, browsers, and the system to help things load faster. But over time, these files can build up and take up valuable space. It's like sweeping out the dust to keep your system fresh. Chapter 2. Clearing system cache. Step 1. Let's clear the system cache. Open Finder. Click on Go in the top menu bar. Select Go to Folder, and type Library Caches. You'll see a bunch of folders. Don't worry, these are safe to clear. Just select the folders, right-click, and hit Move to Trash. Make sure you empty your trash afterward. On-screen text overlay. Pro tip: avoid deleting cache folders you don't recognize from third-party apps you still use. Chapter 3. Clearing user cache. Now, let's clear your user cache. Follow the same steps, but this time type ~library caches. Again, select the folders you want to clear, move them to trash, and empty your trash. This can save you gigabytes of space, depending on how long it's been since you last cleared it. Chapter 4. Clearing browser cache. Next, let's clear your browser cache. For Safari, go to Safari, >Preferences, >Privacy, Manage Website Data. Then, hit Remove All. For Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, and select Clear Browsing Data. Check the box for Cached Images and Files and hit Clear Data. Chapter 5. Using Storage Management Tools. Some text goes here finally. Don't forget about Mac's built-in storage management tools. Go to the Apple menu About this Mac, Storage, Manage. Here, you can optimize storage, remove large files, and review other recommendations to keep your Mac tidy. Some text goes here. And there you have it, a clean, fast MacBook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Shop Smart Link for more tech tips and tricks. Have a question? Drop it in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Subscribe, like, comment, shopsmartlink.com.